Welcome to Sierra Ranch in Mesa, Arizona, where convenience and comfort come together in this move-in ready 4-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring over 2,200 square feet of beautifully updated living space. Step inside to find fresh interior paint, vaulted ceilings, and plenty of natural light. The open kitchen is both functional and stylish, featuring a spacious island with breakfast bar, pantry, and stainless steel appliances. With separate living, family, and formal dining rooms, this home provides the perfect balance of open space and privacy. The large owner suite is a true retreat with an ensuite bath offering double sinks, a separate shower and tub, and a generous walk-in closet designed for all your storage needs. Additional features include a 3-car garage with a convenient service door. With a brand new roof installed in 2024, this home is clean, fresh, and truly move-in ready. Plus, you're just minutes away from shopping, dining, and easy access to US 60 and Loop 202 freeways. Step outside to a low-maintenance backyard with an extended covered patio perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The spacious layout gives you all the room you need to enjoy Arizona's beautiful weather. Don't miss your chance to own this incredible home in Sierra Ranch. Comfort, convenience, and style, ready and waiting for you.